Let's see the materials. 2 sizes heart beads. Earrings hook. Eye pin. Round end pin. And lastly, tools. Let's get started. To begin, pick up the round end wire. Then take 1 small heart bead and slide it in. Using a round nose plier, make a loop to seal the bead. Do the other small bead. Check the length for both if it's the same. Make some adjustments if needed, like mine. We are done with this little two. Now let's do the big heart beads. Take the eye pin and slide the big heart bead on. This eye pin I make using a 0.8 millimeters wire since I can't find a big size loop on the eye pin. Make a loop at the extra tail. I don't cut the extra wire, just make it into a double loop at the top. Make it as tight as possible, but be careful so you don't break the heart glass bead. Do the same for the other one. What I'm doing here is taking the size of the loop from the previous one, so I will get the same loop size. Now let's move to the assembling part to complete the earrings. The little heart will be at the bottom and the big heart will be at the top. Lastly, the most important part, connect the hearts to the earrings hook. At first, I was thinking of adding a butterfly charm on the earrings.
In a corner of the world so fine, there'll be shimmer in the lines, crafting dreams one thread at a time, where colors dance and souls align.
But in the end, I didn't go as I wanted to. Then I thought about it again and wanted to add something else.
Every beat tells a story grand, where peace and focus softly land.
Then I tried to add a round ring, but in the end I went against it too. Thank you for watching till the end.